Welcome back to another safe space video. Sorry I haven't made a lot of them in a minute. Before we dive in, I just want to say I'm not an expert. I'm not here to tell anyone how to parent. I'm simply speaking from my own experience as someone whose parents split up before I was born. My relationship with them hasn't always been so easy, and I know it's not uncommon. A lot of kids grow up in situations where communication feels difficult or strained. What I'm sharing here comes from the perspective of what I would have loved my parents to do. And this isn't about holding grudges or being angry. It's about using my own story to hopefully help other families build the kind of connection I once longed for. Have you ever asked your child how their day was and all you get was fine? That's good, that's cool. Or just maybe a shrug. It's frustrating, right? You want to connect, but the door feels shut. Whether your child is 5, 15, or even a grown adult, opening up communication isn't impossible, but it does take the right approach. Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can get that conversation flowing, especially if you don't have the best relationship with your child. And this is part 1, why kids just don't open up. First, let's address the elephant in the room, why kids close off in the first place. Sometimes it's the fear of being judged or punished. Sometimes it's because they think you don't understand, won't understand. And sometimes it's probably because the relationship feels strained. The good news is you can rebuild trust, but it starts with how you approach the conversation. Part 2, creating a safe space. Here's the truth. Kids, no matter their age, will only open up when they feel safe. For younger children, that might look like sitting on the floor with them while they play, casually asking questions, instead of demanding answers. For teens, it could be giving them space in the car, no direct eye contact, but the door is open for real talk. And for adult children, it might mean texting first and letting them know you want to listen without judgment. That's the hard one, in my opinion. The key is don't force it. Create an environment where they want to talk. Part 3. The magic of curiosity. Instead of the usual, how was your day? Try questions that spark more than a one-word answer. Like get the creative juices flowing. For little children, what made you laugh today is a good question. That's what I ask children. I'm just like, what's the funniest thing you saw? What's the craziest thing you saw? What's the most prettiest thing you saw? Something along those lines, just to get that conversation flowing, build that safe space. For teens, you can ask them something a little bit different, like, if you could change one thing today, what would it be? Just like out of curiosity, like make it natural. And then for older children, adult children, you can ask them a real question. What's on your mind today? Easy. Curiosity shows them you're interested in their world, not just checking a box as a parent. Part 4. Listen more than you talk. This is a big one. A lot of times parents don't realize they're shutting the door by talking too much or jumping straight into advice mode. When your child opens up even a little, resist the urge to correct, argue, or immediately solve. Sometimes the best response is, I hear you, or that sounds tough. Validation builds trust, and trust builds conversations. Part 5. Rebuilding a broken connection. If your relationship with your child isn't strong right now, here's a hard truth. It will take time and consistency. Start small. A daily check-in, a weekly activity together, or simply just showing up when you say you will. That's a big one for me. Over time, these actions will tell your child, you can trust me, I'm not going anywhere. Then that's when the real conversations begin. And now I'm just going to close this one off. I was just trying to make it a little easy, short video. At the end of the day, talking to your child isn't about forcing them to open up. It's about becoming the kind of parent they feel safe opening up to. So the next time you're met with silence, remember, it's not rejection. It's just a sign that the door needs a gentler knock. But thank you so much for watching. And if this video helped, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.